Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your iPad's port. That determines the adapter you need. If it's Lightning, use Apple's Lightning to USB camera adapter. If USB-C, use a USB-C OTG cable or simple adapter. Next, plug the Hyperx USB dongle or USB sound card into the adapter, then attach the headset. Do this now so the iPad can detect external audio once connected. Wait a few seconds for hardware enumeration and for iPad to register the device. Once done, swipe into Control Center and hold the audio card to view output options. You'll see built-in speakers, Bluetooth devices, and ideally the Hyperx USB device. Tap to select the Hyperx device so system audio and microphone route through the headset. If your dongle needs more power, make sure you used a powered USB hub. Otherwise, the iPad may fail to enumerate it. Also make sure any inline mute or gain switches on the dongle are in the correct position. To finish, run a quick test. Open voice memos or start a FaceTime call and speak to confirm mic input and playback. If you don't hear sound, unplug and replug the adapter, then restart the iPad. This often forces detection. If issues persist, try a powered hub, a different adapter, or update headset firmware on a PC first. Make sure Control Center output is still set to the Hyperx device. One key tip: insufficient USB power is the most common problem. Use a powered adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.